This is passage number 11. Duration 6 minutes. Speed 100 words per minute. Dictation starts now. The present matter brings to the forefront a very delicate and sensitive issue regarding the welfare of senior citizens in our society. The petitioner, a 75-year-old widow, has approached this court with a grievance that her own children have neglected her after taking over all her ancestral property. It is common knowledge that in the twilight years of their life, parents look for emotional support and financial security from their offspring. However, the increasing trend of abandoning elderly parents is a matter of grave concern for all of us. The petitioner alleges that she was forced to sign certain gift deeds under pressure and is now being treated as a stranger in her own house. The learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that according to the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, any transfer of property by a senior citizen can be declared void if the children fail to provide basic amenities and physical needs. He argued that the right to live with dignity is a fundamental right which cannot be compromised. In the present case, the respondents have not only stopped providing food and medicines to the petitioner but have also threatened to evict her from the premises. Such behavior is not only morally wrong but also legally unsustainable under the prevailing laws of the land. Para. On the other hand, the learned counsel representing the children denied all the allegations of cruelty. He submitted that the petitioner is being instigated by some distant relatives who have an eye on the property. It was argued that the children have always taken good care of their mother and are still ready to keep her with them, provided she does not interfere in their personal lives. The council further pointed out that the property in question was not ancestral but was purchased by the father from his own hard earned savings. Therefore, according to the respondents, the petitioner has no absolute right to claim the entire income generated from the said property. Para. We have listened to the arguments and interacted with the parties in the chamber. It is heartbreaking to see that a family which lived together for decades is now fighting in the corridors of the court over pieces of land. While the legal technicalities regarding the validity of the gift deeds will be decided in due course, our primary concern is the immediate well being of the elderly petitioner. The state has enacted special laws to ensure that senior citizens are not left at the mercy of their ungrateful children. The district authorities must play a proactive role in implementing these welfare schemes at the grassroots level. Furthermore, we must emphasize that no child has a right to ill treat their parents under the pretext of property disputes. The culture of our country teaches us to respect our elders, and this moral fabric must be protected by the judicial system. If the children are enjoying the benefits of the property given by their parents, they are legally bound to fulfill their Reciprocal obligations. A person cannot be allowed to take the benefits of a transaction and then run away from the responsibilities attached to it. The law is clear that the protection of senior citizens is the collective responsibility of the family and the state. Para. In view of the circumstances, we direct the local police station to ensure the safety of the petitioner. The respondents are directed to pay a sum of 10,000 rupees per month for her daily expenses until the final decision of the main petition. We also appoint a court commissioner to visit the house and report on the living conditions of the petitioner. Both parties are advised to explore the possibility of peaceful settlement through mediation. The matter is adjourned for 4 weeks for further reporting. The written statement must be filed by the respondents before the next date fixed. Over. Stopped.